Everyone's talking about AI video tools like VEO, KLING, and MINIMAX, but what if I told you there's a completely free AI platform that can generate images, videos, and even full websites, all from just a single prompt? Well, I tested it myself, and in fact, this video you're watching was made using that tool.
Once upon a time, there lived a wealthy businessman. He had everything a man wishes for: expensive clothes, mansions, luxury cars, you name it. Everyone liked him, and everybody wanted to be friends with him. But one day, his business went bankrupt. Everything he built vanishes within days.
Crazy, right? It's hidden, powerful, and honestly, it's so good it feels a little illegal using it. The only catch is that it's not available for most countries. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything. How to sign up, how to generate insanely high-quality images, and how to breathe life into those images by turning them into videos. Now here's where most people give up. You land on the homepage and everything's in Chinese. Menus, buttons, even the CAPTCHA puzzle. Most people just translate the page into English from the browser and get stuck in the login page due to a bug. So my advice is not to translate the page right away, but there's one more hurdle: the sign-up process. Unlike Western tools where you just type your email, this one asks for a phone number, and not every country is supported. So here's the trick: use a free temporary SMS service. Just go to any temporary SMS site and find a number from any country that's supported. Now copy a supported number, paste it here. Select the right country. In this case, I selected a US number, so the code is +1. Now click here to send the security code and solve this little puzzle, and it'll say that the security code has been sent to the phone number. Go back to the temporary SMS site and refresh the messages until you receive an SMS related to ChatGLM. Copy your verification code and paste it in here. Now check this box and click this button to log in. Okay, now you're all set. Once you log in, you can translate the page from the browser. This is the ChatGLM interface. Think of it as a powerful alternative to ChatGPT, but without the annoying limits. Just like any AI assistant, it comes with reasoning mode and even a built-in web search. On top of that, you can upload files and let it analyze them for you. But here's where things get really exciting. At the bottom, you'll see tools that let you instantly create presentations, posters, or even full web pages from just a single prompt. Pretty impressive, right? And now for the best part, ChatGLM actually has a completely free text-to-image generator built right in. No credits, no waiting, no external signups. You can even browse through other people's creations here, which is a great way to get inspired before making your own. Since ChatGLM itself is an AI assistant, it actually makes prompt writing way easier. I'll upload an image of a character and simply ask it to describe the appearance. Because reasoning mode is enabled, it will spend a bit more time analyzing the picture and then return a detailed, accurate description, something I don't have to write from scratch. From there, I'll just copy the part I need, paste it into the image generator, and then fine-tune the prompt by adding a background description. For example, I can describe a forest, a futuristic city, or whatever setting I want. Next, you can choose an art style, and trust me, there are a lot of them. Personally, I love the Pixar style option, but you can go realistic, anime, oil painting, or even 3D renders. Then, just pick your aspect ratio to match your project. Now here's something most people miss: the spells section. These are keywords that control the camera lens, angle, lighting, and image quality. Spending a little time here can completely change how professional your final image looks. Once you've set everything up, just hit generate. Within seconds, you'll get 4 high-quality variations of your prompt, and this is where ChatGLM really shines. The results are so accurate that you won't even feel the need for expensive paid tools anymore, and it doesn't stop there. You can download your images in HD or refine them using built-in options like AI Erase, AI Effects, or even reference image generation. Want another scene in the same style? Just type a new prompt and it will generate another 4 images that perfectly match your previous ones. Honestly, this is why ChatGLM is a hidden gem. Now, let's test out the image-to-video feature. Click on the Qingying video option, and right away you'll see a feed of videos created by other users. Some of these honestly look like actual movie clips. For example, check out this one. It feels cinematic. And here's another of a woman taking a selfie. Notice how smooth it looks? No awkward morphing or glitches, which is impressive, especially since even some paid tools still struggle with that. Alright, let's upload one of the images we generated earlier and see what happens. For the prompt, I'll keep it simple. Man, with a confident smile, fixes his tie and adjusts his clothes. Camera slowly zooms out, Pixar style. Next, we'll open the basic parameters and set the resolution to full 1080p for better quality. Once that's done, just hit generate. Now here's the catch, it usually takes around 5 minutes to process the video, but honestly, the results are completely worth the wait. The animation feels natural, the motion is smooth, and it looks like something you'd expect from a premium AI tool, except this one's free. Since I've already generated a few AI video clips, let's combine them into one full video. And hey, if you want me to make a separate video teaching step-by-step how to create full AI animations, just drop a comment saying AI animation. If enough of you are interested, I'll definitely put together a detailed tutorial. Now here's the thing, ChatGLM doesn't support voiceovers yet. So to fix that, I'll use another tool. One of my favorites is 11 Labs. It's honestly one of the best when it comes to realistic AI voices. I've already typed a short voiceover script, and here's something cool. You can actually add emotions by inserting special text inside square brackets. For example, if you want the voice to sound excited, sad, or dramatic, just guide it with those tags. After making a few quick tweaks, the next step is choosing a voice that matches the narration. Personally, I really like this one.
The thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing makes it happen.
It has a clean, natural tone. Now all that's left is to hit generate and download the voiceover. I combined all the video clips and synced them with the voiceover using an editing software. To make it feel more lively, I also added some background sound effects and subtle transitions. I won't dive deep into the editing process here since that's not the focus of this video. So here's the final result.
Once upon a time, there lived a wealthy businessman. He had everything a man wishes for. Expensive clothes, mansions, luxury cars, you name it. Everyone liked him, and everybody wanted to be friends with him. But one day, his business went bankrupt. Everything he built vanishes within days.
As you can see, it really looks like a scene straight out of a Pixar movie. But before you leave, I have to show you one more feature that honestly blew my mind. The AI web page builder. All you have to do is select the option and then select Make a Website option. From here, you just type a simple prompt and it builds an entire website for you. No joke. For example, let's ask it to create a website for selling courses on how to make money using AI. I'll even throw in a few topics like AI comics and AI animations. Then hit generate. Now, the tool browses through similar sites and gathers information. This takes just a few minutes, and look at the result. It built a full website with multiple pages. And here's the crazy part. I only gave it 2 sentences. Without even describing the style or layout, the AI came up with everything on its own. Not only that, it even gives you the full HTML code for the website, so you can customize or host it anywhere you want. Pretty insane, right? Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.